This is Elegant Swirls stencil from Altenew. This stencil measures 6 inch by 6 inch, perfect for any A2 size cards, journal pages, scrapbook layouts, or mixed media arts. This stencil will help you create a beautiful swirly background on various projects. You can easily add patterns using Altenew's crystal inks or metallic shimmer ink sprays. Once done using the stencil, simply clean it using the baby wipes, stem cleaner, or mild soap and water. Store them flat and away from direct heat or sunlight. All of Altenew stencils are high quality, manufactured right here in the USA. To find out more about the Elegant Swirl stencil and its featured projects, please visit us at altenew.com.